Loom, Camtasia. Well, you might think that these are very different tools. How can we compare them? Well, they have a lot of features that actually are much the same or competitive. Today we're going to explore those features and we want to know which one is the better overall tool. So let's do it. Okay, so let's jump into Loom right now. Loom allows you to record your screen and camera with one simple click, making it perfect for tutorials, feedback, and instant communication. You can share recordings instantly via a link or you can embed it, streamlining collaboration and your feedback process. It also offers transcriptions and captions. So auto-generated transcriptions facilitate easy search and accessibility options for viewers. Loom also records high quality video, ensuring that your content looks professional literally on any device. There are no limits on storage or recording time, making it ideal for teams and individuals with extensive video content needs. One or two of their drawbacks is, unlike some of their competitors, Loom doesn't actually offer advanced video editing features, requiring you to rely on external software for more complex edits. Also, it's a little bit more expensive for larger teams, so if you're on a budget and you're in a team, maybe it's not the right choice. So let us jump into Camtasia. So Camtasia combines screen recording and editing in one platform, making it ideal for creating tutorials, training videos, and even webinars. It's an all-in-one tool, and their approach simplifies the workflow for educators as well as business users. Users can also seamlessly replace backgrounds with the chroma key functionality, enabling a more polished, professional looking video, and this is perfect for presentations or creating video projects. You can add quizzes, clickable links, and hotspots to your videos to make them more engaging and interactive. The feature is particularly useful for e-learning and training purposes. Camtasia also offers pre-designed templates, themes, and presets to streamline video creation. It makes it a really beginner-friendly tool while speeding up the editing process. One or two of their drawbacks, however, is for professionals, Camtasia lacks advanced editing tools like 3D effects or even Hollywood-grade color grading, which might kind of restrict your creativity flexibility slightly. Also, Camtasia comes with a hefty one-time price, which might not be feasible for casual users or anybody that's doing video editing more as a hobby. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen, both of the software that we just reviewed now are amazing. They both have fantastic features. They both appeal to different groups of people. And the takeaway here really is to figure out which group you fit into and which software you would be using. If this was enjoyable, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.